Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Well guys, you know we love the beach already. Of course, we'll stay at the beach. And we're here with the fam. Everybody chilling, having fun. Guys, I know I'm jealous, but don't be, okay? You can do it as well. Hi guys.
I do the thing, chef, walla in the flower house poppy. I'm saying, look on pot. Look at the pot. You know what I'm saying? When I have the money and come, and I said, this a piece I go for 20, this I go for 40, 60, 80 and up. You see me?
Okay. $80 piece.
$80 piece. No?
Him show some funny when him done. See, you liking it? Fun? You enjoying yourself? How about you, Angel? Bad girl, Angel, pan them. So Kyle have a drink. You know, Kyle, what you drinking?
Something nice.
Something nice. Irene. Okay, and then we have Bobby right here. How you doing, Bobby? Having fun?
Yeah, man, it's alright, man.
Sue and Disha having fun. Paige, you see them have an Irie and a drink them thing. Okay, guys, go check on what the kids them are do. Let's go right over there. Hi, Trevor, how you doing? You having fun?
Yes, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm glad you guys having fun. The trip was worth it.
Trying to get some fun rolled up in a ball right next to these goalers. You wouldn't even be able to see.
Kimali, you having fun?
Yeah, but they have to take care of a little Kimali, no?
Look at Kimali.
Yeah, I'm asleep.
Lollipop. Guys, see the kids, them, everybody have fun. Fun? No throw, no sand. No sand, guys. No sand because it's gonna hurt, okay? It's gonna hurt the eyes. I see your foot is gone. Gianna, you having fun, baby? You like Florida?
I saw a jellyfish a while ago.
You saw a jellyfish? Where is it?
Someone done did.
Oh, we're gonna catch it, okay?
Yeah, we put it back.
Paige, you having fun? Wonderful. Everybody having fun. You see the crew over there? Everybody I leave the beach. We alone will take off the whole of the beach, people. Hey babe, you having fun?
Yeah.
Was this trip worth it? Where y'all cooking, Molly? Them way there?
Yeah, we're there on the grip.
That look good.
Hot dog and
Okay, Mario, come in with the beer. I see you.
I'm at the grill from a grill. The grill look nice. How far am I bring it?
okay.
Maria, deal with the grill properly, you know, and Kimali.
There, no, we're there.
Ready. Hey. Why, my body?
Alright guys,
Alright.
we're back again.
Alright, Darby Family Vlog.
Yeah.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
See him so.
Yeah, Wagwan so.
Yeah.
Right now, we're digging a hole. We're gonna put Chase in it. Make sure the little kids down there see. And then we're gonna put a towel over his head. And then we're gonna ask them to get the towel.
Yeah.
And scare them.
I scared him. Alright, so see the setting here, people. We're gonna bury this called buried alive. Okay?
We're gonna get Jay and Tristan.
Yeah.
Them no paid no attention.
Yeah, they're out there living their best life out there. So one by one, we're gonna call them. Kima, we're gonna call on them one by one. We're gonna do it one by one, so we can get them.
Then one's gonna go tell the other.
Oh, do all of them?
Got to. Hey.
Do one, and take them away
We're all gonna
whenever.
have to be over there and we're gonna, hey y'all come here. Oh, just go grab that towel for me real quick.
Yeah,
Something
yeah,
like that.
think this is good enough?
They're not, yeah, that's
Yeah, that's good. Just let them, we bury you.
perfect.
All right, people. All right, we'll catch you now.
All right. My boy said he's wide. You have any last words, CJ? You have any last words? Make sure once they pull the towel, you stare them good, all right? What's going to be the code word for when they're about to do it? What's going to be the code word? Chicken? All right. We're doing a prank for the Darby Family vlog. We're doing a prank. Yes. You see all the women go run on the beach. Just leave him head out. You just gotta leave his head out. Sorry, Darby Family vlog. I might be a bad cameraman. No, but we're doing a prank, so no, we're gonna get all the other kids. We got you.
I got nothing to do with this, bro. I didn't see anything. I didn't hear anything.
Hold on. Let me step on you. Let me pack it down. Let me pack it down for you. How you feel, Chase? Stiff? You can't move. Huh? Can't move? All right. CJ, what's the code word? Chicken. So when we get Jay and Tristan up here, the other kids, yeah, we're gonna put a towel over his head. We're gonna tell him to grab the towel. Yeah, we're gonna have to fix the outsides too, so it don't look like nothing suspicious. Here, cameraman.
Hold on, I gotta record this too. Hold on. Wait one now.
Can you breathe?
I can breathe. Alright, so now you got good in there.
Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe.
You got any last words? My last words? You good? I think his last words are like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and
My big toe's still showing. My big toe's still showing. Nobody see it.
Keep on. Let's get it first.
Don't tell it.
No, we're gonna hold him here to let him go there. All right, our first customer. Tell it.
Come on, grab that towel for me.
Grab that towel for her.
Chicken.
Hold on. Take it. She's coming.
Over here.
Will you pick up this
Go grab Daddy that towel right there. Grab the towel for Daddy. Chicken. Grab the towel, baby. Grab the towel for me. I need it.
You still towel? Yes, you know.
Hey, see?
Hold on. Jay, Tristan.
Why are you telling
And Tristan coming.
Daddy is calling you?
I'm gonna try to prank them. Hold on, you think we can't get the girls? They wasn't paying attention. Oh, they saw it? But, let's see. Maybe. Let's try it. Everybody just turn it back. I'll just one person say it. I'll say. Yeah, you know, we're here chilling with the Darby fam. Hey, go pick up a toilet for me. Yeah, man, chicken dinner.
Wait, where's the taco towel?
Yeah, we can try. I don't know if they saw. Don't tell nobody.
Yeah, we
No, no, nobody know what I call him. Hey, what's up, Sue? What's up with the vlog? Say hi to the vlog. Yeah. Chilling. You see, it's a nice setting, guys. Everybody out nice. I think they get the towel.
My sister's gonna get it for us.
Go get the towel.
Oh,
What?
What? Oh, Jesus. That's somehow.
Yeah. Yeah.
I never realized that.
Alright, Chase did a good job. Alright, man. Alright, the gigs is up.
Hold on, is everybody ready for the final prank? Get a bag of chips. We're gonna pour it all over them, and the singles are gonna.
You good? Why both of you? Why both of you? Shut the eye. Hey, he's risen. He's risen. He's alive.
Darby family, I guess we just got my kids. My kids.
We got your son too. We got your son too.
We did get your son.
Yeah.
What we say?
Like,
Make sure you like, share, subscribe, click the button there on the bottom.
Yeah, the notification bell. Yeah.
And you know, that's how we do it, man. It was epic.